Good morning, cyber traders. Happy Wednesday. How's everybody doing on this beautiful 18th? Everyone all good? All right, good to see you all. Kathy, JJ, good to see you. Peter, Tom, Kathy, Jonathan, Elton, Grant, good to see you. Good morning to you, buddy. Mary, good to see you. And all the cyber traders, what a great day we had yesterday. I feel like I sound like it's like Groundhog's Day. Every day is like a new day. It's like the same thing. But you know what? I'm going to say it again. I told you September, October, and November are the best months of the year to trade. And you thought I was kidding around, but you know what? When the summer was here, we did pretty good. We had 1 or 2 stocks, but you know what? Now it's like 4 or 5 of them. They just constantly keep coming in, and we're going to talk about some of them. I'm not going to go through every one that we had, but you know, if everyone that missed or was not here or is watching this on our Facebook or YouTube channel, just kind of show you some of the stocks that we traded. The SNCR trade. Let me just bring that up right there. SNCR was a phenomenal short. Went from 18 all the way down to literally $13. Unbelievable short. Great winner for a lot of us. Another one, another stock that we did pretty well is the SRAX. Come on, are you kidding me? Right at 130, this thing just, I'm at 130, I'm sorry. Right at 330, thing goes from 250 or 275 all the way to 550. Unbelievable. And you know what? If it wasn't for one of you, I think it was Ben who brought it up, I wouldn't have found that stock. I mean, that's what trading and being part of the room is all about. And another big winner, well, actually 2 more, TRXC. I mean, who cleaned up on that one? $2.75 all the way to $5. You know, 100%, 200%. I mean, it's just endless. By the way, what do all these companies do? Just out of curiosity, anybody know what these? Early Christmas present? That's right, Ken. Exactly, Ken. That's what I'm trying to say. It doesn't matter. You know, how many people always come up to me, and you know what? Today at 12 o'clock, remember, we're going to have an open house again. We're going to try to recruit new traders to join the room. And remember, the smart ones are going to join us, and then you're going to get a good kick out of it and see the ignorant ones, the people, the questions they ask, and be like, my God, I just really feel bad for this person. I mean, how would he even have a chance of competing if he's going to still go out there and deal with brand name stocks, deal with the best traders on Wall Street? So we see what it's all about. We see some of the positions, and this is what we want to focus on. All right. Now, before I go through the picks, guys, I just want to kind of bring up one little something that really concerns me. We're going to break 23,000. Okay, so it is unbelievable that we got this far, okay, in the matter of since October. If you look where we started, around 16,000, I mean, beat at 23 is unprecedented. It's just like, and it's not like, listen, I've seen the financial crisis, you know, back in 2008. This is just, you know, I don't even know why and how these things are going up. I mean, as much as they did, because it didn't even go up this fast when I saw it at 6,600 the Dow. But one thing that does concern me, okay, and I want you guys to be very aware, and you better be funded. If and only if the Congress does not pass this tax reform, you will see a crash. I'm almost dead on confident you're going to see a crash. And let me tell you what you need to do, okay? What you need to do is make sure that you have a lot of money in your account, because we're going to short the hell out of the market. And then if you're long positions, you better get the hell out of them. You better sell your mutual funds. You better do what you can, because it's going to come down really, really fast. And the only reason why I'm really concerned about it is that in the Republican Party, there is so much infighting in there. There are a lot of people who just don't like President Trump at all. And, you know, and after seeing what John McCain did regarding the health care bill, where he basically, when he took his finger and put it down, some people thought it was maybe his middle finger. And I mean, these politicians, I hate to say it, but they really just don't they just don't want to pass an agenda, and and they're out for themselves. So, and they really don't care about the American people as much, other than because they don't like you, they're going to do it as a principle. And you know what? That's wrong. But this is my concern. I'm not here to talk about politics. My concern is this: if there's that much anger out there, and these people don't like each other, and they just do it to stick up the middle finger, just not to pass the vote, it's going to crash the market. Okay, and just so they can agree to what they want to agree to. So anyway, just be very careful. That's all I'm asking you, because I know some of us have some swing trades, and some of us are sitting there and bragging about how much money you're making with your mutual fund, your swing trade, and everything's all great, because a lot of the rally has to do with these tax credits. And I'm telling you, if there's any egos going around, and you have a McCain doing another middle finger like he did with the healthcare bill, and Democrats don't come and try to want to help the economy with the tax credit, everyone's going to get hurt, no matter who Republican, Democrat, liberal. The market's going to crash, because a lot of these corporations are factoring in for that tax credit. All right. So all I'm telling you, no matter what party you are, just be prepared. Just be very prepared, because I'm just saying, I've been just listening stuff, what's going on, and reading. I'm really concerned about that. The anniversary of the 87 crash tomorrow. Is it really, Paul? Okay. You know what? That's pretty scary. I didn't know that. Thanks for sharing that. That's what it's all about. Buy some puts. Yeah, Ken, you know what? If you can't afford to really go short big time, that's what's great about. That's when you use options. That's when you put options into your benefit. It's going to cost you a lot more money to do the option, where because now you're dealing with a big spreads and time. But yeah, that's when options are beneficial, and that's what you need to learn. All right, so with that said, guys, let's get right into the watch list and see what's going on. But overall, I think we had a great day so far, as in yesterday. A couple of stocks that are making some big moves. First stock on our list, SSKN, stock's up 41%. It's kind of flatlined right here. I don't know if it's a buyout or whatever, but it's not really going anywhere. So we'll see how she opens up. But overall, it's kind of flat right there. It's not as nice as this one. This one's a little bit better. SPPI. The stock has been on a nice little push from $10 to $15, backed off, just broke a new high. It's got a little bit of a Fausto flag right there. It's going to be a level 3 stock, pharmaceutical stock, which have been awesome. Put that on our watch list. Another little cheapie right here. Some of you should be very familiar with this stock, OPTT. Nice little push right there in the after hours. A little bit of a downtrend, though, in pre-market here, though. So we're going to have to kind of keep an eye on that one. X out of that. All right. And what else we had? That one's on a downtrend. Don't really care about that one. This one's got up 17%, 88,000 shares traded, 46 cents, cheap little stock. But it had a little bit of a mess right here as yesterday. But I don't know, the pre-market, it's a little bit all over the place. BNTC, it's probably on the bottom of my list. I'd probably throw that out there. This one's really not doing that much, but big volume. I think that does it for the NASDAQ. NEOT, how fun was that one? On the downtrend right there, even though it is up. This one, nice little push. All cheap little stocks. GoPro, what happened there? Up 3%, big deal. All right, let's hop over here on the losers, see if there's any good dead cat bounces. AKTX, pretty decent. On a little bit of a, looks like it's probably testing its major support levels right now, right around that $5. But it's got a push on the downside. I don't know if it does break the support levels. I don't know if it's on your short list, but it will test this 350. AKTX, we won't know what that's going to do until it opens up. Everything else is pretty much not doing that much out there on the losers list. On New York Stock Exchange, not going to hold my breath, but it's probably nothing there. Yeah, look, ACP up 10%, 1.2 million shares, not really doing that much. This one's up 8%. We definitely could watch this one, TRXC. Going to put this back on our watch list. This is the one from yesterday. So now we could probably use yesterday's resistance levels and focus on that. All right. So look at the iceberg orders on your list. Oh, look at IBM. Oh, wow. IBM is a huge Dow a Dow stock, so that's going to really lift the market big time. So it looks like a lot of the high-tech stocks probably going to move due to IBM. I haven't seen IBM move that much, and my God, look at that. Since October, right? Since January, thing hasn't done nothing. Everyone did great, but other than IBM. I think IBM really crushed itself. They got out of they got into IBM was like the blue chips of the blue chips, and just I don't know. IBM just really got into the wrong business. I wish I got into like NVIDIA or something like that, but fortunately not. All right, everything else is pretty much not doing that much. Oh, look at that, Chipotle. Everybody remember Chipotle? Chipotle was this is a funny stock. Chipotle was the biggest joke is if you ever go out to dinner with or have a party with your friends, tell them, say, hey, anybody know what Chipotle's trading at? And I remember, some of you remember this, we were talking about this 2015. Could you imagine this thing was at $750? And then they had the whole, salad scare, and then sure enough, look where it is. It's even $318. I mean, seriously, this stock is it's Chipotle. Are you kidding me? My God. But anyway, Chipotle's not doing too well, so there's support, so we're not trading $300 stock anyway, so who cares? But we got a pretty good list. Now, for everyone that's here, just remember a couple of things, couple of announcements. Remember, at 12 o'clock, we are going to be doing another free event to kind of recruit new traders. I expect everyone to go out there and help I help you guys to make money, so help us to kind of recruit, because remember, the more people we can recruit, the more money we all make, the more, and as long as they get trained and do it the way they're supposed to do it, we're going to make good money. So look forward to seeing you there at 12 o'clock. And then and just remember, not all these stocks are moving. We're always going to find something new that's going to pop up. We'll see what pops up once the market opens up. Like I said, we didn't find TRAC until the middle of the day, so that's just the name of the game. So let's so if you see something, say something, everybody. TRXC is at resistance, and there is a Fausto flag on that one too. I totally agree on the TRXC. Absolutely, it's got that nice little push. All right, everyone, listen. Good luck today. Happy trading, and let's make some money today. All right. Enjoy.